everybody, it's your girl Virgo Queen T, and I'm back with my last mukbang. I know I haven't recorded in a while, you guys. I miss you. I miss you guys so much. This is gonna be my last mukbang for a while. Y'all know that I'm changing the dynamics of my channel. My channel will be open to any and everything, but I had to come back with the one time and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and bring y'all the video. So today we got us some Fridays. Cause your girl is starving. So I got me some Cajun pasta. And I got me some wings. So I'm gonna show y'all what that looks like. Yes. We got us some Cajun pasta. And we got us some buffalo chicken wings. Yeah. We got us a little bit of ranch. Pop that joint. Got a fork, got something to drink. I'm super hungry, y'all. That's why I got all this food. Whatever I'm finished, I know my kids will. So I just got me a pineapple soda. Yes, y'all know the Czech sodas from back in the day. If you ain't ever shop at a Winn-Dixie, you don't know what I'm talking about. So we gonna say our prayers. Oh, let's take a thumbnail. Hold up, wait a minute. Let me put some booming in it. So let's take a thumbnail. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. All right, that's good. No stopping. Heavenly Father, in the name of Jesus, I want to thank you for this food. Yes, that you bless the hands that prepare to make a nourishment to our minds, bodies, and souls. In your name we pray. Amen. Y'all can see my mouth watering because I'm starving. Y'all probably hear my kids in the back. So please forgive them. They being rude. Oh, this pasta looks so good. It's still hot, y'all. I picked it up fresh right after work. I just got home, so I'm literally recording this for y'all. My. So this will be my last mukbang for a while. And I know that you guys miss me here. Forgot a napkin. Oh well. I know you guys miss me and all that good stuff, but your girl has been living. Literally. I just been living. Taking care of me and my family. I haven't been so worried about YouTube and all of the foolery. But I got stuff in mind. And like I said, I still don't know what direction I want to go. But I can't drink too much or I get full. But it's time to get to it, whatever it is. So I was like, you know what? It's only right if I bring them one more mukbang. If you have never had Friday's Cajun pasta, baby, you miss out. It's literally the best thing smoking. I could have sworn I asked these people for all plants. They be trying it. But it's all good, you know. But how y'all been doing? I hope everybody's been doing well. I see y'all out here glowing and growing. I see that. I do. I really do. Oh Lord, every whole bone broke. I want to apologize for my minimum activity on YouTube. I apologize for, you know, not being on you guys' channel and watching like I used to. But when you're happy, you're just happy. And I just been in my own lane, enjoying my peace with my family. I'm so hungry. I'm trying not to get full, y'all. I gotta make some room. Excuse me. But yeah, that's it. I pretty much been just enjoying my family, enjoying my peace. And enjoying only recording when I want to. I felt like I needed space. Which I know sounds weird, but it is what it is. I definitely felt like I needed space. Space from people, space from just space from this thing. Because I felt like it was becoming more of a chore than fun and networking. I felt like it was becoming a chore. And, you know, that's just one of the chores I didn't sign up for, unfortunately. I'm out here to do great things and be happy and be positive and, you know. Whoop, 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 whoop. But I hope that it can pick back up and we can get things back popping, you know. Of course, I've lost views, I've lost revenue, I've lost subs. And that's okay. Because I know that I stopped being consistent. And I know why. And I know that every purpose and every reason why I did it was worth it for me. For sure. Ooh, child. I was like, I have to come. I mean, and at least get the people one more. You know. And hopefully I can still, you know, dive into some challenges and stuff like that. You know. I would try to incorporate some of those things. Try. And what's wrong? But I'm ready to rebuild and rebrand. And hopefully I can excuse me, y'all, get my channel on the right track again. I'm just a prayer. That's it. And just know that I'm excited about coming back. And, you know, whatever I do, I just hope it goes well. That's all I got, y'all. Because I'm already full. I barely ate today. So, I was truly, truly starving. And it's like, my belly's shrinking or something. I think I got a shrinkage in my belly. Because, girl, your girl can't eat but a couple of bites. And I be like, baby, I be so, ugh. Excuse me. That was a man burp. That's right. But I'm doing this thing. Thank you too. I'm not gonna eat that. I'm not gonna eat that. But I do want to say thank you. I'm gonna say this for my lunch for work tomorrow. One more bite. It's so good. Thank you for the people who stuck with me. And for the people who didn't, that's okay. There ain't no judgment or no bias against anybody. At all, period. I still love y'all. And appreciate y'all. Continue to stay tuned in. For what I got in store, it's going to be great. I'm praying it's going to be great. But all in all, I just love and appreciate you guys for staying with me. And still loving on my channel. I do see the comments. I've been a little busy, child. But I do see them. But thank you guys so much. And I wish everybody in the mukbang community well. But I just decided that this is not for me. So, like I said, I will try to incorporate some challenges. I'm not totally steering away from mukbangs, but that's not my main priority or my main source. But as you guys know, I'm tired. I just got off. And I need to get some rest. I love you guys so very much. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.